Who to follow on Clubhouse. That's what I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do in this video. Hey, what's up? My name is Kylie Francis, and on this channel, I teach you guys the profitable social media marketing strategies that are working right now to grow your business online. So if that's something that you're interested in, go ahead and smash that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up if you guys find any sort of value in this video. Now, I'm going to be doing a whole slew of Clubhouse topics. I have about 18,000 followers on Clubhouse just by using it, every single day for the last 2.5 weeks. The opportunity on Clubhouse is absolutely amazing, and I want to share with you guys what is working for me and others on Clubhouse so you can grow your Clubhouse channel while the opportunity is so new, still in beta, still in iPhone only. It's going to be funny when I watch this video a year later, but just know that I'm going to be doing a ton of Clubhouse training. So if that's something that you're interested in, like I said, go ahead, smash that subscribe button and stay tuned because I got some juicy, from millionaire scams to growth hacks. I'm going to be uncovering them all on this channel. So you're not going to want to miss those videos. So this video, I'm going to be talking about who to follow on Clubhouse because I feel like there's this whole trend going on right now where it's like, okay, you can't get on stage unless you follow all the moderators. Okay, we can't pull you up on stage unless you follow all the moderators. And that's simply not true. That is a bogus growth hack scam. You do not have to follow anybody that you are not aligned with. And I just feel like I had to put that out in the air because that's the most ridiculous thing I've ever even heard. So how you're going to maximize the opportunity for Clubhouse, whether it's just networking or growing your business, growing your Instagram, whatever you want to grow on social media, you have to follow the right people, because if you're just following any whoosy whatsy and expecting, your business to blow up because you're growing followers just from being on the platform, you're growing followers and not a following. So I want to discuss who to follow on Clubhouse. I'm going to do that really simply. So let's get into it. The first thing that you want to do before you start following people in Clubhouse is you have to complete your bio and you have to know what your intention is for showing up on the platform. Because far too often I see so many people, they're starting to grow their following. They have, 1,000, 5,000 followers. They don't even have a Clubhouse bio. They're kind of, just popping in and out of random rooms, saying their opinion. And if that's your intention, that's amazing. And that's, go you. I say, if you do what you want to do, and then that's enough. So just know that before you go out and searching for people for networking, you have to know what your purpose is. Who are you? What do you do? And who are you there to help? So that's something that I want you guys to write down now on a piece of paper, which is what I like to call the I help statement. I help X do B become blank to achieve XYZ. So once you write down that I help statement, you're going to gain clarity on your long tail keywords. For example, my long tail keyword is social media marketing consultant. And I write that and position that in my bio many times because the way that Clubhouse works is that if somebody searches social media marketing or just social media, my profile has the chance to populate in the search. Now, if I just, roamed around Clubhouse giving, all of these amazing social media tips, but I never clarified that in my bio, nobody can search for me. A lot of the followers that I get on Clubhouse come when I'm not even on the platform because they're searching the keywords that are in my Clubhouse bio. So completing that, okay, what is my I help statement? What is my intention for showing up on the platform? Go ahead, complete your Clubhouse bio, but just make sure you are super specific with the keywords. I know we all love doing the crazy fonts and what have you, but that doesn't really help your chance to stick out in the Clubhouse search. So just make sure you complete your profile and you take the time to do that before you start networking. Because how Clubhouse works is that when you start following people that are within your niche, so I'm just going to use myself as an example. If I'm in social media marketing, my intention is to help entrepreneurs grow their business using social media. So I write that all throughout my Clubhouse bio. You can go check out my Clubhouse bio at Kylie_Francis. And when I clarify that and I show up in the social media rooms and deliver my value, the first thing your ideal client or audience looks at is your Clubhouse bio. They're like, okay, I like what Kylie said. Let me tap on her face and check out her bio. So if what I say is not aligned with my bio, they're not gonna follow me. So that's just something to keep in mind. Make sure what you're saying is aligned with your Clubhouse bio, which then if you connect your Instagram and Twitter at the bottom of the profile, they're gonna click on that and then hopefully follow you on Instagram, Twitter, and wherever you lead them from those platforms, because everything is congruent. It's aligned. It's like social media, social media, social media. What she said, I like what she said about social media. Does that make sense? Let me know if that makes sense in the comments. So like I said, the first thing you need to do is you need to be intentional about why you're showing up on this platform. The second thing you need to do is make sure that you're including who you are, what you do, who you help serve in your Clubhouse bio. So when you know your long tail keywords and who you want to start networking with, the next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go in the Clubhouse search bar and you're going to want to type in your long tail keywords, because what you're looking to do next is you want to connect with influencers that are within your niche or people that you just simply vibe with. It does not have to be people with like 1 million followers on Clubhouse. They don't have to have a certain number of followers to be considered an influencer. So what I would do is I would go to the Clubhouse search and I would type in social media. I would type in Pinterest, Clubhouse, Instagram, LinkedIn, anything related to social media, because that's what I love to teach. That's what this channel is about, and that's what I love to do. After I do that, it's going to populate users that included that in their Clubhouse bio. Now flip this. This is what they are going to do to search for you, which is why it's very important that you include those keywords in your Clubhouse bio. So when I go and search for influencers within my niche or people that do something similar to me, I'm going to go ahead, click on those profiles and see if they resonate with the message that I'm trying to deliver. Now, the person doesn't have to be doing the exact same thing that I'm doing for me to follow them. I actually want to not just collaborate with people that do the same thing as me, but do something similar, but I can add on to what maybe, how do I want to say this? Like not what they're missing, but if it's like a puzzle piece, like they're good at this and I'm good at that. And when we join forces, it's like win-win situation. Prime example, if I show up in a social media room, I know a lot of people don't know about Pinterest marketing. I'm gonna link a Pinterest marketing video up here for you guys. And I know they don't know about LinkedIn marketing, and I'm gonna leave another LinkedIn marketing for beginners video right here. So when I join these social media rooms where a lot of people know about Instagram marketing and they know about TikTok, I can collaborate with them because it's like they can bring their expertise and I can bring mine without it always feeling like a competition, because it does get like Shark Tank out there. I'm not gonna lie, like everybody's buddy right now, but there is some tension sometimes in these rooms. So just keep that in mind when you're connecting with people. Just make sure that they're in the same niche as you. So like I said, I'm in social media, but I'm not gonna, shun somebody because they're like obsessed with TikTok and I don't have a TikTok yet. Does that make sense? Let me know if you love this video by giving it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what you love so far. So like I said, when you're in the search and you're finding these people, go ahead, tap on their profile, make sure you vibe with them, click follow, and better yet, go message them on Instagram and be like, hey, I read through your profile, like this is a little bit about me. I would love to see if you would want to collaborate and do a room together, because the best thing about Clubhouse is this is all about collaboration over competition. So when you start doing this consistently, this isn't like a once and done thing. I don't want you guys watching this video, doing it once and then never doing it again for the next 6 months. This is something that's definitely trial and error. You're probably gonna find people, join rooms with them. You're not gonna like their vibe and you're gonna unfollow them, and that's fine. So just know that when you do this process, you're just it's networking. You're not gonna love everybody. Not every frog you kiss is gonna be a prince. So just keep that in mind and give yourself grace as you're going through this process. So what do you do? The first thing you need to do is you need to set your intention. Who am I here to serve? What value do I want to give on this platform? The second thing you're going to do is you're going to take the time to complete your Clubhouse bio, because what you search for in others, they are also searching for you. This is so important, and also how you're going to get followers when you're not on the platform, because people are consistently searching for people like you, but they can only find you if you complete your Clubhouse profile. The third thing you're going to do is you're going to go ahead, go to the search bar and type in those long tail keywords. For example, social media marketing, online business, business coach, entrepreneurship, real estate marketing, whatever your niche is, go ahead and type that up in the search. Then you can follow clubs and you can also follow people. But don't forget, that's not like the juices in all of this is when you start, collaborating with people off of Clubhouse. That's like the asterisk I want you guys to remember. When you start collaborating with people and messaging with them off of Clubhouse, that's where the magic happens, because that is when you're going to collaborate with like-minded people. You're going to build your network, but not only that, you're going to be able to serve the same community by, having different pros and cons, strengths and weaknesses. And when they collide, that's when the flow and that's when the magic of Clubhouse happens. So I just wanted to reiterate on that. And like I said, this is a rinse and repeat cycle. Do this, every day, every other day, whenever you see fit. And another thing too is the more people you follow, the more rooms you're going to be able to chime in on. So that doesn't mean follow whoever, whatever. That just means follow people that you resonate with, that you vibe with, that you can add value to. And that's when Clubhouse becomes amazing to grow your personal brand and your online business. So if you guys love this video, let me know in the comments, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to click subscribe if you're interested in hearing more tips and like I would say drama on Clubhouse, because I'm going to be covering that all in later videos. Let me know in the comments what you want to hear about Clubhouse. I would love to do a video on one of your guys' comments. So don't be afraid to let me know in the comments. Would so appreciate it if you found any value to give me a thumbs up on YouTube. And like I always say, if you guys have any questions at all related to social media marketing, always let me know in the comments, because your question could quite literally and anonymously be the topic of my next video. So I hope you guys have an amazing week, and I will see you all on Clubhouse. If you want to follow me at Kylie_Francis. I'll see you over there. Bye guys.